Hey guys, we are the machine factory from China. We produce machines and provide training. If you want to get the training and the machines, you can contact us with this way. Today we will share how to repair the glass broken Sumsung Note 8 Edge with RMB machine. This is the first Edge all-in-one machine in the world. It is 5-in-1 machine. Only one machine can repair all the model of the glass broken spring. Do you need air compressor anymore? No need. Do you need vacuum pump anymore? No need. OCA machine? No need. Laminating machine? No need. Separated bubble remover? No need. Only one machine can repair all the model of the glass broken capacity.